Are you waking up at night drenched in sweat and wondering what this means? Well, in this case, in this brief but informative video, you're going to learn a lot because we're going to talk about what night sweats are, common causes of night sweats, and finally, and perhaps most importantly, when you should go and see your own doctor about this. So first of all, what are night sweats? Well, the first thing to mention is that it is normal to sweat during the night if the room is too hot or your bedding is too warm. However, night sweats are when you wake up with soaking wet sheets and night clothes even though your sleeping environment is cool. Now, both adults and children can experience night sweats. Now, there are several common causes of night sweats. They could be due to the menopause, and symptoms like hot flushes are typical causes of night sweats, particularly in women over the age of 50. They could also be because of underlying anxiety and stress, because anxiety can lead to increased sweating at night. Now, some antidepressants, steroids and painkillers can cause night sweats, so it's worth checking if any medications that you're taking or have recently been started on could be the potential cause. Now, in some people, night sweats are because of low blood sugar, which is known as hypoglycemia, and this is especially the case in people with diabetes. For other people, night sweats are because of taking alcohol or certain drugs, both of which can adversely affect your body's ability to regulate its temperature. Finally, some people actually have a condition called hyperhidrosis, which is a harmless condition where you sweat excessively all the time, especially in the day and also at night. Now, when should you see your doctor about sweating at night? Well, this is a common question, and according to the NHS website in the UK, it's important to seek medical advice for three things. Firstly, if you regularly wake up with night sweats that disturb your sleep or cause you worry. Secondly, if you have night sweats accompanied by a very high temperature, you feel hot and shivery, or if you've got a cough or experience diarrhoea. Finally, if you've got night sweats and you're losing weight without any clear reason, and that's because sometimes excessively sweating at night could be the sign of an underlying cancer, such as a lymphoma. Now, I would add two more reasons that you should consider seeing your doctor about, which is if you're having new, persistent night sweats, and by this I mean night sweats that weren't necessarily there before, and now they're there for 2 weeks or more and they're not getting better or going away, and also if you've got any other unusual symptoms, so night sweats and a change in your bowel habits, a new lump that you might have found, for example, under your armpit or in your groin, or anything that's unusual or concerning for you. Now, I know that we've covered lots of potential causes here of night sweats, but sometimes there's no known underlying cause that can be explained. Finally, what can you do to treat or at least to help manage the symptoms of night sweats? Well, if your night sweats are being caused by an underlying condition, such as menopause, then treating the underlying condition will likely help to resolve the symptoms or at least make them more manageable. So in this case, it might be using hormone replacement therapy in the case of menopause, also known as HRT. Now, if you're taking medicine and your doctor thinks that this might be the cause for night sweats, they might prescribe you a different one. Otherwise, it's important to try and manage your sleeping environment and make it as comfortable as possible for you. So this means keeping your bedroom cool, which you can do by using fans or air conditioning, using light bedding, so opting for lightweight, breathable blankets and moisture-wicking sheets, and wearing light cotton pajamas. Now, some lifestyle changes can also help. So try to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day to help regulate your body temperature. Try to identify and avoid any foods or drinks that might be triggering your night sweats, so things like spicy foods, caffeine and alcohol. And finally, I would suggest that you practice relaxation techniques, so things like deep breathing, meditation or yoga before bed could be really helpful and useful for you. Now, for more information, please check out the description box of this video for lots more useful information on night sweats, as well as the resources that I mentioned throughout this video.